Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to create mockups in Canva. So to get started, head to Canva. Once you're logged in, head to Create a Design in the upper right hand corner. For this video, I'm going to choose Presentation. The document size is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. Canva offers some mockup frames that you can use to create your mockups. You can get to those mockup frames either by going to Elements in the left side panel and scrolling down until you see Mockups. And then you would click See All. You can also get to the mockups by going to Apps, which is also in the left side panel. And in the search bar, you would type in Mockups. And you would click on this right here. So there are many different categories that you can create mockups in. There's videos, smartphones, print, apparel, computers, frames, home and living, packaging, graphics, tablets and TV, and watches. And there's also a spot for mockups that are popular. So now what I'm going to do is go in the different categories and grab out a few so that you can see them. After I show you a few of these mockups in the different categories, then I'll show you how to create your mockups. So here are some of the mockups that are popular. But I'm going to create an individual page in this document for each of the different categories of mockup frames. So here are all of the categories for the mockup frames. So here are some video mockups. So in this video here, there's liquid inside of a bottle and a dropper tool. When you put the image of your product here on the mockup, it allows you to showcase your product even better. And it allows the customer to really see how your product will work for them. In this video here, it's someone pouring something into a coffee cup. This video here is a person holding a tote bag. This video here is a person lighting a candle. This video here is a person laying down a book. And in this video here, it's a laptop appearing with an image. So for each of these pages, I just chose a couple of the mockup frames just to show you what's available. The second category is smartphones. So for the smartphone mockups, we have a phone that's charging, a person holding a phone, another image of a person holding a phone, another person holding a phone but in landscape orientation, the front of a phone, so if you are doing like maybe wallpapers or things of that nature, that would work, and then also the back of the phone, so if you're a person that sells phone cases, this could be a good mockup for you. The third category is print. So in this first image here, we have a frame up against a wall. This image here is a sticker on a water bottle. This image here is a spiral bound notebook. This is also a spiral bound document, but in landscape format. This is a sticker on a laptop. And this one here could either be like a sticker that's peeling up or like a piece of paper that's peeling up. The fourth category is apparel. In this image here is a person wearing the shirt. In this image here, it is a stack of folded shirts. In this image here, it's a person wearing a sweatshirt. And these three down here are just individual pieces of clothing. A t-shirt, a hoodie, and a sweatshirt. The fifth category is computers. In this image here, we have a person using a laptop. In this image here, it's a laptop on an ottoman. This image here is a computer on a table in an office setting. This image here is a laptop on a table with fabric in the background and vases on the table. This image here is an individual computer. And this image here is a laptop on a table with a plain background. The sixth category is frames. So this here is just a picture frame. This one here is like a Polaroid picture. This one is a person holding a picture frame. This one is a picture frame on a wall. This one here is like a social media post. And this frame here is like a video. The seventh category is home and living. This picture here is a person holding a tote bag. This picture here is a coffee cup in a box. This image here is a pillow on a chair. And this here is a pillow on a couch. The eighth category is packaging. This picture here is a product tube. This here is a picture of a person holding a lotion tube. This picture here is a resealable bag on a table. This picture here is a paper bag. This picture here is a drink with ice. This picture here is another paper bag with a person holding it. And this picture here is a box with a person holding it. The ninth category is graphics. So these ones more so are like colorful little animated graphics that can be used for mockups. So here we have a laptop on a desk. Here we have like a social media pop-up. This here is a picture of a computer on a desk with some pop-ups. And this picture here is a computer on a desk. The 10th category is tablets and TV. This picture here is a person watching TV. This picture here is a person using an iPad. This picture here is also a person using an iPad. This picture here is a person giving a presentation on a screen that's on a wall. This picture here is a person holding an iPad in portrait orientation. And this picture is a person holding an iPad at an angle on a rock. And the 11th and final category is watches. So here's an image of an Apple Watch. Here's an image of an Apple Watch on a person's wrist. Here's a picture of an Apple Watch on someone's wrist with a suit jacket. Here's a picture of an Apple Watch on someone's wrist who's working out. Here's another image of a smartwatch. And here's another Apple Watch on someone's wrist. And again, remember there's plenty more of these mock-up frames in each of the categories that I went over. But now I'm going to show you how to create your mock-ups. So here I just grabbed a few of the mock-up frames that I showed you a little bit earlier, and now I'm going to show you how to make the mock-ups. So right here, it explains how you create your mock-ups. It says insert your image. Drag and drop any image into the mock-up. The easiest way to do this is from the Uploads tab, which is right here. So all you have to do now is apply your image to the mock-up frame. And the best way to do that would be to go to your Uploads. You can click on Upload Files to add your images. Once you find your image that you're going to use, you're going to click, hold, and drag it into the mockup frame. I'm going to change the background of this page just so we can see everything a little bit better. So now this looks like a sticker that's peeling up. After you've placed your image, if you click on the mockup frame again and click on Edit, it gives you some options that you can change to make the mockup look better. So when I placed the image, the option Fit was selected. If I click on Fill, I can make it fill the frame a little bit better. I'm going to click Apply Changes to see what that does. So now this looks better because the Happy Mother's Day text fills the frame better. Back into our edit screen, you can click the drop down next to alignment. In here, you can change the alignment. You can also click the drop down on the flip option and flip your image. And then you can also detach image if you no longer want to use that image in that mockup frame. If you made any changes, hit Apply Changes. After you've done that, you can click anywhere in the document to get out of the menu screen. And so you basically would just go through all of your mockup frames and add your image to it. Creating these mockups allows your customer to see how the product would look once they get it in their hands. So now to continue adding images to my mockup frames, I'm going to head back to my uploads. So I'm going to take this image that I used for something else and click, hold, and drag it to one of the items. But what I'm going to do is click on the image and click Edit. So now I'm just going to enlarge this image so it fills the cup a little bit better. So the image that I added to this cup was a transparent PNG. And now in my edit options, I have an option for color. So I'm going to click on that and see what it does. And once I've done that, I'm going to click Apply Changes. So changing the color actually changed the color of the mug itself. So I'm going to leave it like that and move on to the next mockup. And again, we're going to go to our uploads. So in this mockup, I'm going to use a pattern that I created by clicking, holding, and dragging to your mockup frame. And again, if you want to edit it, just click on the frame, hit Edit, and I'm going to choose Fill. And then I'll hit Apply Changes. So now I'm going to do these last mockup frames and then show you how they look. So I decided to change out the image for this first mockup, but here are all of the mockups that I created. So we have our peeling sticker or lifted paper mockup, our coffee cup in a box, our printed pattern, our thank you sweatshirt, a person using their digital stickers on an iPad, and the video clip of a person using my geometric patterns coloring book. So 3 of the products and the mockups that I've created, you can actually purchase. If you head to the description below, there will be links to those 3 items. So with the mockups you've created, you can actually just use those as your product photos, or you can also add text to the images if you want to describe the product that you're showing in the mockup. And then you can use these mockups to add to your product photos for the products that you're selling. So here's just a close-up of all the mockups we've created in this video. So this concludes the video on how to create mockups in Canva. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Remember to check the description box for any resources and products that are mentioned in this video. And as always, thanks for watching.